soon be everywhere. And take away their feathers and birds will walk around in underwear. Take away the church and birds will have to whisper when they sing. Chirp, chirp. Take away their common sense and won't be back in time in the street. Oh, remember me, my darling, praising in the air, and the bald-head birds are whispering everywhere when you see them walking southward in their dirty underwear. The Tennessee bird walk. How about some trees so the birds won't have to sit upon the ground? How about some wings so the birds won't have to walk to get around? How about a bird bath or two so the dirty bird will be clean? How about some feathers so their underwear no longer will be seen? And how about a chirp so the birds won't have to whisper when they sing? Chirp, chirp. How about some common sense that won't be blocking traffic in the spring? Oh, remember me, my darling, who's raised in the air, and the bald-headed birds are whispering everywhere when you see them walking southward in their dirty underwear. The Tennessee bird walk. The Tennessee bird walk. The Tennessee bird walk.